Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Today, we have an exciting comparison for you.
We'll be comparing two top-notch dash cams, the ROVE R2-4K dash cam and the CHENSIVE 3-channel 4K dash cam. Get ready for some epic showdown.
Let's start with our first contender, the ROVE R2-4K dash cam.
This little beast packs a punch with its 4K Ultra HD recording capabilities.
Trust me, the video quality is so good, you'll be able to spot a squirrel picking its nose from a mile away.
But wait, there's more. The ROVE R2-4K comes with built-in Wi-Fi 6, allowing you to instantly view and manage your dashcam recordings on your iOS or Android devices.
You can even download your recorded 4K videos directly to your smartphone at lightning speed.
Say goodbye to those pesky memory cards. And here's the cherry on top. This dashcam comes with GPS functionality. You can accurately record your driving location and speed, and even view your driving route on Google Maps. It's like having your very own personal navigator. The ROVE R2-4K is packed with state-of-the-art technology like a built-in supercapacitor, motion detection, and a 150 degrees wide-angle lens. And don't worry about storage, because it supports up to a whopping 512 gigabytes micro SD card. That's like having a black box recorder in your car. And here's the best part. ROVE is a customer-centric company based in the USA.
They offer a full 1-year warranty and have amazing customer care.
If you have any questions or issues, they'll be there to save the day.
Plus, they offer a full refund within 30 days if you're not satisfied. Talk about putting their money where their dashcam is.
Now let's move on to our next contender, the CHENSIVE 3-channel 4K dashcam.
This bad boy offers not one, not two, but 3 cameras to maximize your road coverage.
It's like having your very own paparazzi in your car.
The CHENSIVE dashcam comes with a 4K front camera, a cabin camera, and a rear camera.
You'll be able to monitor every angle of your vehicle inside and out.
It's like having eyes in the back of your head. And guess what? CHENSIVE is throwing in a free 64 gigabytes SD card with their dashcam. That's right, no need to worry about storage space. You can record infinitely with the loop recording function.
It's like having an unlimited memory card buffet. The CHENSIVE dashcam has a collision detection feature that automatically turns on and records a protected video when it senses a crash.
It's like having a superhero that captures all the action, even when you're not around.
The CHENSIVE dashcam also boasts super night vision and infrared cabin light.
Whether it's day or night, this dashcam will capture every detail with precision and clarity.
It's like having a professional cinematographer in your car.
And let's not forget about the sleek design of the CHENSIVE dashcam.
It's compact and won't block your view while driving. Plus, installation is a breeze. You can easily connect it to a power source and even use the rear camera without removing the reverse headlight. It's like having a dash cam that's both stylish and smart. And just like ROVE, CHENSIVE offers excellent customer service. They provide 24/7 technical support within 12 hours and are dedicated to resolving any issues you may encounter. They've got your back. Based on online reviews and feature comparisons, here's the overall assessment. And there you have it, folks.
The ROVE R2-4K dashcam and the CHENSIVE 3-channel 4K dashcam, battling it out for the title of the ultimate dashcam. Both of these products have their unique features and advantages, so it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best.
Remember to check the description box below for links to these dashcams and any additional information you may need.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and smart buying tips. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, where we help you buy with confidence.
Stay smart, stay savvy, and we'll see you next time.